Hi friends, this is Barbara and we're back for another Crockpot meal. Today we're going to have barbecued pork steaks. This is extremely easy. This is when you're having your lazy days, okay? Because you could take the pork steaks and just whatever side you want to go with them, if you want a side. I am going to, first off, season mine with Montreal steak seasoning. You do not have to do this, but I'm going to do it. You could use your favorite seasoning. And I'm going to be real honest here. You don't really have to use a seasoning at all, because next we're just going to go in with some barbecue sauce, and that is enough seasoning. Okay, and then we'll take our barbecue sauce and drizzle that barbecue sauce on there. I have clean hands. I'm going in to rub. Gonna go rub on the meat. Just like it to be like all even across. You know, I don't know. I think I'm just like a hands-on person because I am a massage therapist. So this might explain a reason why I'm so hands-on with my food also. Okay, I will be right back. I have to get this off my hands. And as a massage therapist, I also wash my hands a ton, like a lot. It's an addiction. Okay, so friends, you're going to put the top on that. I'm going to finally cook it on low today, but you could go high for 2 to 3 hours, low 6 to 8. Turning mine on low. Don't forget to plug in your crock pot, ladies, because I'm telling you, I've done that before. I have cooked without it even plugged in, and I make it a rule to always come back in like an hour to touch my crock pot, just to make sure that everything's running smoothly, like it didn't break, and that I plugged it in. Okay, so let me get back to what I was talking about. So I believe it's high for 6 to 8 and low 3 to 4. Yeah, gosh, scratch all that. It is low 6 to 8, high 3 to 4, okay? I'm going to cook mine today on low for like 6 to 8 hours because I have to go out and do other things today. But what I want to say also is I'm going to come back and I'm going to put, today's Valentine's Day. So I kind of wanted to cook something really good. So I'm going to go with Velveeta. And I have some broccoli that's kind of frozen here. I was going to boil that, cut it up in small, tiny pieces, and then throw it in this. And then I am going to cook some green beans as my vegetable side. And I am probably going to cut up little tiny pieces of ham and throw that in there. So those are some of my ideas that I would like to throw in with this, okay? Not throw in the pots, but have as sides. Okay, I am so sorry if I felt scattered today. I felt like I had one of those moments. Okay, friends, I'm going to be right back. Okay, for our sides, I am going to boil my broccoli so it's softer. And here in this pot, I'm going to take my camera down. I really want you to see what's going on. All right, I have a bag of frozen green beans. Use any kind of green beans you want. I have 4 to 5 pieces of ham lunch meat. 2 tablespoons of butter. And I cut sliced red onion that thick, and then I just kind of broke it up right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook all this until it just marries together. So this is going to be green beans, onions, and ham. Okay, so we're going to get this all started cooking. Okay, our broccoli is done boiling. We're going to drain it and cut that into little pieces. Okay, now our water's boiling. Throw in your box of Velveeta. Or any brand that you like. Okay, our macaroni is done. And I added the cheese packet and a tablespoon of butter. I am going to add also, you don't have to, but you don't have to add the butter. You don't have to add a splash of milk. But I'm going to because today I am splurging. Okay, and then you're going to stir this up and you're going to get that all hot. Okay, then I am adding 1.5 cups of broccoli florets. And we're going to get that on the stove and get that cooking. Oh, that looks nice. I like to jack up stuff like that. Okay, so now the macaroni and the green beans, they are done. And that's what the pork steaks look like. I did not turn them over. When you saw me put the barbecue sauce on top, I left it. I just left it alone. I'm going to try on film because we know we don't edit here. So if this pork chop falls on the floor, it's real, okay? And I don't edit that out. We won't be eating it, but okay. Just be patient with me. Oh, look, not bad. Okay, let's get that one in. It wasn't as bad as I thought. Okay. Okay, friends, and this is what a plate of barbecued pork steak looks like with green beans, red onions, and ham, with just basic box macaroni and cheese and cut up broccoli. Friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. I love you all.